Hello, everybody. This is Lounge and Lori here in all my glory. I wanted to show you my real life. Okay, my real life. My real life is a mess. Yes, as you can see in the background, there's some of it. So we're going to we're going to show you what I've been doing. I moved about 10 months ago. Started in December. Um, Ended sometime first in January. So my real life is really still a mess. I've been trying to clean up, but it's been hard for me because of my work and my health. However, my health's getting better and there's a little bit less work. So here we go. I'm going to show you. This is my front room right now. It is a mess, as you can see. It is a mess. Now this is the yard sale stuff. We were doing yard sales over the weekend. Well, on the weekends actually. And this is mainly the yard sale stuff, which is going to be put in another room because I think we're going to do one, maybe two more weekends. We're going to see, and then we're going to put the stuff up for the winter. I don't have any outside storage, so it's going to be put up in an area that is accessible but yet out of the way. I'll have my front room back again. My daughter is really upset that she's taken up my front room. But it's okay for me. I mean, I'm good with it. This is a small money maker on the side. We don't make much money yet, but we will. So part of it is getting this area cleaned up, and then I have my little knickknacks and stuff in here. I'm going to clean it out and dust it off. Clean it off on top. Now for my kitchen. It's going to be a little dark. I didn't turn on the lights. So, this is my kitchen dining room area. It's been basically, well, it's just catch-alls. But that's all going to be cleaned up. Comet's little tunnels in here. That's it. It's the most room he has to play right now until I get my room cleaned up. Then I'll probably put most of the stuff in my room. Like I said, the kitchen's a mess. Look, I'm not proud of this. I really am not proud of this. I'm a hoarder. I'm a mess. I'm trying to turn around my life. And believe me, if somebody out there has any ideas, please suggest. So, like I said, all this is going to be cleaned up. My kids have been helping me in the past, and my daughter comes over and tries to help as well. The bathroom we're not going to show. It's usually cleaned up daily or every other day. Now this is my little. It's supposed to be a bedroom because there's the closet. This is my extra table. Right now it's a catch-all. I'm not for sure if we're going to keep it or not. So, and this is a little cat playpen. I actually had two at one point. I sold one to Trailer Trish for her cats because it was not in use. But this is going to be cleaned out. My kids, my grandkids like playing in it too. But this stuff will be cleaned up, sorted out, and maybe even sold in the yard sale next year. Who knows? Now, for another room. Oh gosh. Yeah, this is the room that I really want to get cleaned up. Besides my bedroom, it's got all my stuff that I have had for years. And there's also some stuff in here that my daughter gave me when I moved into the trailer up in Avon. So I've got to get all this stuff sorted out, either thrown away, put in the yard sale, something. Put up. I plan on putting up shelves and maybe even a little closet in this area because of the fact that I'm going to use it as a spare bedroom. My granddaughter comes over, my sons come over. Actually, Terrell slept in this room, and I do have to get some cooling in here and make sure it heats pretty well. But anyway, yes, it's a mess, but it's going to be cleaned up. I know I keep saying that, but it is. It's going to take time, I know. But this is my real life. This is my real life. I'm a hoarder, I'm a mess, but I want to show you, because there's a couple of my videos right now that you're going to see a mess. But it's catching my cats in action, so to speak. Okay, now for my bedroom. I've tried to sort my hats. I've got a lot of hats. And I've got tools, hats, and just basic cat stuff as well. These are cat mats go underneath the litter boxes, and those don't work. So I'll probably end up selling them, giving them away or something. This is my bedroom. Yes, a mess. But it's all going to be cleaned up eventually. Oh, there's a cat. This stuff has, it used to be more in here. I didn't show you my, hold on, I got something else. See how sloppy I am? This is my scooter. This is for when I go on trips with my boys, you know, because they've taken me to a couple ball games. And the last ball game I went to, I used it, and it really helped my legs out. I do have problems with my legs. Okay, now back to my bedroom. See, I can see all that stuff. Some of that stuff it's got to be sorted out. Like the weed eater up there. I've got a bush trimmer up there. Hedge trimmer, I mean. My tools. Oh, there's my ring light. I've also got a tripod, which I probably didn't have to buy, but I did. I did it for my videos, so. This area here used to block these cat trees. I cleaned it out over the weekend, and so the cats can get up on the trees, because they weren't getting up on them until I made a good path, cleaned it up, and even Callie has found her little area. Hi, Callie. Hi. She's found her throne at the bottom, haven't you, Callie? Gotta have a cat in my video. Anyway, it's like I said, this is my life. And I will have it cleaned up as soon as I can. And that should be over the next few weeks. My bed isn't made, sorry. Anyway, it's like I said, sooner or later. So, please, if you like my videos, subscribe. If you have any suggestions, please put some comments in. If you even like them, press the like button. I mean, if you don't want to subscribe, that's fine. But the more subscribers I get, the better for, you know, everybody. You know, maybe we can show people not just my cats, but, you know, this is a real life thing for me. This is a real life thing for other people, that other people do. You know, they have problems with keeping their place clean. I do. My grandson comes over to help, but he doesn't do certain things because I don't allow it. So, please subscribe and like my videos. Do comments. Maybe you can make suggestions. My daughter already has. My daughter actually suggested this video. So, here it is. This is one of the videos. When I do more of these type of videos, it's going to be maybe just a few minutes of showing you my progress. So, this is Lounge Lori. You all have a great day.